Hello, here I am. I'm about to unbox for the first time. My husband thought this would be a good idea to have my true feelings towards them right out of the box, literally. So here we are. If I hate this, no one will ever see it. If it's just too much rambling, no one will ever see it. Maybe some clips, who knows. But here we are. I bought from Black Hairspray, I got 2 wigs and then 1 wig band. I'm already wearing a wig. This one is, oh, who am I wearing? I just did the review for her. What's her name? Oh, Pio. All right, so wig hairband. This one is undetectable. It's a little lace, except to be honest, I thought it was going to be velvet, but I guess I was wrong. Or I didn't pay attention to it, which is fine. I have a feeling that it's probably gonna slide then on me, but I might as well get myself out of the shot. Okay. Well, I was excited to get the lace part because some of my wigs, no matter what, how much makeup or anything, still show. We'll take a look. But anyway, all right, a little disappointed in that. That could have been my own fault. So this one is, I've been really excited, Delilah. She's from ShakeNgo, the naked Brazilian. I got her in OT30. That's why I've been very excited. I love the color because, long story short, I tried to dye one of my human haired wigs and it went really bad. And so now I've been a little scared over dyeing them myself. So like now that when I found out that Delilah came in different colors, I was going to do that and play on the safe side and see what it was like this way. And also see if it isn't like super damaged, which, all right, so taking her out. Oh, but she's a beautiful color. And this part line looks really good. All right, she's one where the stock card, I do not think is a very cute style. I actually saw someone else reviewing her, and that's exactly why I love doing these reviews, is so you can see what you're doing before you buy it online, because it's so hard. But it's really pretty. She's very, very soft. I mean, obviously the curl pattern is a little crazy right now. I don't really like these. I'll measure all of that and have that ready for the actual review, but she's a really beautiful color. I love this part line. I won't even really have to pluck. Maybe a couple. All right, and the hairline looks really good. Yeah. Oh, I love this root. Okay, but no shedding. Untangling. She goes through really nice. She has not let me down. All right, I'm really excited. So I'll be doing her review today because I'm way too excited. I want to, I don't know, like, you just see it. These are a little crazy, a little too much like she was right in the backs because she was. So we'll kind of get that curl pattern a little nicer and a little more natural. But I love her. All right, on to the next. Very, very happy about her. I'm gonna have to step out of frame, hold on, to place her down. Oops, as I'm dropping all different stuff. All right, and this one is also from ShakeNgo. What's her name? Cleona? Cleona, yeah. By ShakeNgo, another human haired wig. I'm obsessed with them. First, I was all for synthetics, and then just because how soft the human hair is, still for the beauty store wigs, like brands, I'm really happy with them. All right, let's take her off. She's another bob, or lob, I guess you would really say. She's not short. Take all these guys off. I got her in natural, so she's just plain natural. Oh my gosh, that part line. Look at that. All right. With a nice, that's a lighter brown net lace, which is really nice. This part line's beautiful. I will not be doing anything. Oops, I left the little tag. Oh, she's so soft. Wow. All right, I like her ends. She's not as crazy from in the box. Let's see, let's shake her out a bit. No tangling at all. She's even softer than Delilah. Oh, wow. That's probably because the other one was a chemical process already on her, but wow, is this one soft. No tangling whatsoever. Super, super soft. Love her. Love that she's even a lighter lace, so that'll be easier for me with my skin tone. But as you see, I always buy different wigs. I don't really care just because I'm able to hide it, or at least I'm happy with it. But this hairline looks really good. She's beautiful, and I won't really be doing anything so I got this one so I could wear her straight or curly. I feel like obviously when you have less of a tight curl pattern, it's much easier to get straight. But all I'm gonna do is end up just making sure she's even, because these couple little ends look a little longer. Just make it uniform, perfect. She already even kind of has like this softer front, which I always like, just to get it so it's not so harsh and thick, because my natural hair was really thin. Well, I just don't have any hair anymore. But she has a little bit of baby hairs I'm seeing too, which is nice, because I don't lay any baby hairs. I push them away because I look crazy if I were to try to lay them down. I love this. All right. All in all, very happy with both of my wigs. I can't wait to wear them both. I get too anxious and excited, and I want to do the review right away just so that I can like make it my own. But I guess I'll probably wait. Maybe I'll do this review tomorrow and then see what I want to do. But I think Delilah will be first just because she is colored, and I'm very excited to have some type of color, because for the most part, I've been rocking all of the natural and dark. But okay, well, I think I might be doing this. This was not bad. It's nice to have my like 2 cents worth right off the bat, which is pretty cool. I feel like I'm kind of like a broken record. I'm easily pleased, I guess, because both of them were great. The only thing is, I think the other one, Delilah, was a little not as soft as, what were you again? Cleona. And then Delilah had a little darker lace. I guess that would be a con for me. I don't know. I don't even really care. I love it. All right. I love both. I have a feeling that both of them are going to be my daily wear, and that is exactly why I bought them, because I like having the shorter lengths. I think they're really easy to maintain, and I have fun, and I just personally like them on me best, other than the really long. I feel like a teenager when I'm doing that, and I don't like it. Anyway, that's it for my first ever unboxing, and if you guys see this, great, and if you hate it, well, I guess you'll be letting me know that too, but Chas from Wildflower Wigs is done.